Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to generate AI retro style vintage photo or how to generate AI Saree model by using Google Gemini. So this video is all about creating or generating AI retro style vintage or AI Saree model viral photo. So these days you might be seeing this type of photos in different social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. These photos are getting viral and are in trending. So how to generate or make this type of photos by using your own photo. So with the help of AI, you can generate this type of photos on your phone. So here follow the step. First of all, open Chrome and in Google search for Gemini and search. Then open gemini.google.com website and then you have to log into your account and then you can click on plus icon and then you can select the upload files and then you can select photos of your, or you can also open Gemini app and then click on plus icon and then click on gallery icon and then you can select photo of your own and then click on done. I would suggest you to upload a photo in which your face is clear and visible and then you have to type a prompt. I have provided this prompt in my video description. You can copy paste it from there. Beside that, I have also provided different prompts in my video description by which you can generate more good picture of yours. So now click on this send icon and wait for some time. Just wait for a minute. It is generating image. Now you can see that Gemini has created this photo. You can see that it is the same face. Now you can tap the photo and you can download by clicking on this download icon, or you can even go back, click on this three dots and then click on redo. It will create another image. So just wait for a second. It is generating the second image. Now you can see that it has generated the second image. This was the first image I have created and this is the second image that I have created. So by this way you can generate multiple photos. You can also use another prompt from my video description to create more and different photos with the help of AI via Gemini website or app. So by following these steps, you can easily generate or make AI retro style vintage photo, AI Saree model photo, viral photo with the help of AI using Gemini app or website. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.